Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. Yeah, today's on a Monday and it's currently 7:19. Yeah, and I'm on my way to work. Yeah, let's see if I'm going to get late. I have to be at work at 8. Let's go.
Shout out to Vince on the beat, by the way. What up? Man, pia nikiangalia pale Getaway, just ukifika tu hapo kama expressway inaanza, that is why.
Mamlaka Road. If you know, you know. Currently heading to town so that I can find a traffic bag. Okay, I said a traffic bag. No, so that I can find a laptop bag. It's currently 4 p.m. and I just left work. So right now I want to go to town and get that laptop bag. Currently 4 p.m. I'm at Koinange Street and this is how town looks like. Traffic everywhere. Traffic everywhere. This is Azina Towers underground parking. Best place to park in town. Mabuyus. Yo, what's up, guys? We're in Tao. I didn't manage to get my bag, but heading home right now. I'll buy the bag another day. Yeah. Is this road one way or not? Is it one way or not one way? I don't know. Who cares? Let's go home. Let's go to traffic. Thika Road traffic. What is the time? 6:33. Guys, I will show you the person behind the camera one day. I will. Just keep watching the videos to find out who it is. Maybe only the OGs will know it is. Only the OGs of the channel. OGs pekee ndo watajua huyu ni nani anarekoda. Only like 2-3 people. The first subscribers. So guys, if you don't want to miss this, just subscribe. And you have watched the video so far, so you might as well like the video and subscribe. Yeah. And then in the future I'll show you the person behind the camera. In City, Kenya, Africa. Yeah, Victor Road. Let's go, guys. Yeah, let's go. Keep left and less overtaking. Let's go.